Hello! Welcome to episode 6 of Fork It Up. So today I am continuing to work on my Trello cards, and at the same time I am going in and putting these user stories in my VS Code and putting them into where the page is for the different pages. I'm using my user flows to help me. And I'm sort of trying to make sure I know what the user story is here and trying to separate it into, basically like tasks so that I can check them off. For example, I'm going to pause and find it. Okay, so hold on, reload. Okay, so for example, for landing page, I did as a prospective member, I want to view basic info about the app as well as what is required to join so that I can decide whether to join. And I tagged this as highest priority, and it's in the client side of the app, which everything I'm doing so far is. Right, so that's like the view in the first landing page. But then this is the login form on the landing page. I'm putting that as another card because that's another kind of task that once I get that form set up, I can like check that off and put it to the next or add a server tag to it to do the authentication or things like that. So that is what I've been working on, right? And then this is like the home page, deleting a comment. I've put that as a medium priority as opposed to a high priority. So that has basically been what I've been working on, and yeah, I'm just going through that, and then when I am done, I'll move on to wireframing. So let's see, I'll work on a couple more live, and then I'll end this video and check back in with you tomorrow. Alright, so we're on the home page. Edit or delete my own comments. Just finding my page I had for home page. Printed out these user flows because I want to be able to see without having to keep clicking between screens. Alright, so user clicks marketplace. Do I have that yet? Home page, viewing. Posting, edit or delete, comment, edit or delete comment. Alright, so I'm going to add a story here, and home page link to marketplace page. As a community member or teacher, and really the teacher is just going to be an extra boolean in the database saying that this community member also has some extra privileges. because they teach classes in the community, but we'll just keep it as this. I want to click on a link to the marketplace page so I can find community members to support. So I can maybe go look for community members to support. Okay. This is going to be a new card. Oops. I made one long thing. And in the card, I'm going to put the word link first. And just make a little arrow. Alright, so then my labels. As I'm looking at the scope of this MVP that I'm giving myself, I'm thinking about putting some more hierarchy in here as far as just getting a bare bones site deployed for people to check out, to give me some feedback while I'm continuing to work. So the landing page definitely needs to stay. Login, yep. Yep, going to the home page from the after you log in. Sign up, yep, sign up. Membership pending, okay. Yep, okay. I want to view the community help board. If I start out with that, so I can reach out. Editor delete. Comment, editor delete. So I'm gonna downgrade this to a medium priority, so that I can just get that community help board. That'll be kind of 1.0 of the site. Go back to my Trello. take off this, change it to medium. Right. And kind of drag that up here. Okay. Alright, so see when I have an existing user story that is already available, I'm just pasting it beneath the new spot, and then I am, oops, and then going like that to add it to this line. Remember, I want to view the HVC marketplace. Oops, bulletin board. So I can look for businesses to support or items to buy. Yeah, I guess that can stay the same like that. But we're downgrading this to a medium priority. And then the business directory is a community member or teacher. I want to view the HVC marketplace business directory so I can check out businesses to support in the HVC community. Alright, so that's just a little glimpse into what I'm doing here, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.